Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger discount deal through which you can save up to 95% when you buy your hosting through Hostinger. So what you have to do is to simply click on exclusive discount link mentioned in the description of this video to buy your hosting from Hostinger, and you will be landed over here. Now this is Hostinger's Kodee AI app. I'm going to minimize it so you can see the most of the screen. So for the first thing which I like from Hostinger is the 30 days money back guarantee. It's a great feature for anything you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee, and this was the thing which got my trust to buy my hosting from Hostinger. Also, it's now my 5th year from Hostinger, and so far very satisfied. So which is why I'm here with this exclusive discount deal. So again, you have to click on the link in the description and now move around on the Trustpilot reviews to see what people are saying regarding Hostinger. Okay, don't take my words only, but let's see what people are actually saying regarding Hostinger. So just see the reviews of 71,000 people. Okay, Hostinger has the most efficient and helpful AI agent I have ever worked with to answer all your questions about how to get things done in the web builder. 5-star. Kodee, which one I minimize it. Again, 5-star. I built my first website using Hostinger about 4 years ago. 5-star, 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 and some 4-star and mixed reviews. And the best thing is you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee as being showed over. So these were a few of the things which inspired me to buy my hosting from Hostinger, and which I am recommending you to look around for Hostinger. Now Hostinger also had Hostinger Horizons. It's an AI tool through which you just have to give the command and it's automatically going to create a website or app for you based on that. And if you scroll below, Hostinger supports WordPress websites. So if your website is on WordPress like me, you can easily create it. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service, which is completely free of cost, through which you can easily shift all of your website to Hostinger. Hostinger also supports other CMS as well. And if you scroll below, right now 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. 150 plus countries being served, 20 years of experience, 10 million plus websites are being created with them. And now scroll below to their plans over here. So you can see all of the plans are 30 days money back guarantee, cancel anytime, 24/7 support. And again, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description, and once you are landed over here, do your research with all the plan features functions before opting for one. Premium, business, unlimited, and cloud setup. These are their 4 most popular plan. And if you ask me, I'm using the business plan. It is very good, very efficient, has almost everything which you may need it. But you can look around for the unlimited plan as well. This is currently the most popular plan. Also the cloud setup as well. Again, I can make it 95% for you, but do your research on what plan feature function you are going to opt for, and simply select the choose plan with any of your plan after your research. So once you select the choose plan, now you are being redirected to another page, and on that page you have to select your billing period. Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. Guys, and if you want to save the maximum amount of money, my recommendation is to opt for the 48 months, because these prices won't appear again. These are special exclusive prices for my audience. After this, you can claim your free domain by writing over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as each panel. Okay, I'm going to select the free domain over here. The free domain is only valid for the first year, so I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain. After this, I can see my order summary over here. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code before you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So simply apply this coupon code and you're gonna see that your price got a further discount. So it's a 48 months at 79% plus daily backups, free domain, 10% additional, plus free email boxes. So it's more than 95%. Even 79 plus 10 is 89%. Daily backup, free domain, free email boxes makes it more than 95% deal for you. And this is a limited time deal for you, and I want you guys to take the advantage of it before it lasts. So simply click on the link in the description and then follow this tutorial to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Once you are done with this, simply select the continue over here. Now you may be asked to log in at Hostinger, or need to create a new account at Hostinger, or need to synchronize with the Google account to move on to the last part. But since I'm already logged in, which is I'm at the last part, I can see my order summary over here. Everything is fine. My order summary is fine. I need to see my billing details over here. If it's not fine, just simply update over here and then move on to the last part, and that is selecting payments. Now Hostinger offer you variety of payment method, guys. You can pay via credit card, you can pay via PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, China, Alipay, Hong Kong, and CoinGate for crypto payment. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose to pay your payment at Hostinger. So this is another amazing flexibility by Hostinger, that they offer you variety of payment methods to choose, and you can choose any to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Overall, my 5 years of experience of Hostinger is very good, which is why I'm recommending you to grab this limited time deal. Simply click on the link in the description and use my coupon code to enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger. Hostinger has so many functions, so many support. The support is amazing. Look around on the Trustpilot reviews. They will even say for that as well. So don't miss this deal from Hostinger. Good luck with 95% discount. Good luck.